Cuba here, and today I'm going to be answering the question, is Square-1 good or not? And before I begin, please make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe if you haven't already, because I'm trying to reach 250 subscribers before the end of this month. Alright, let's begin. The reasons why I think Square-1's a good event. So the first reason is I picked up Square-1 a few weeks ago, and I didn't think I was really going to like it that much. And I couldn't really tell it at all, it was just way too difficult. But then I found a great tutorial about Keymaster, which I'll leave in the description down below. And it was really good, and it explained so much about Square-1. And after that, I really like Square-1, and I still practice it every single day to this day. Alright, so the next reason I think Square-1's a good event is because if you put the time and effort into practicing, you can get really fast. So last week I used to average 2 minutes, and the week before that I used to average 3 minutes. And now I average about 1 minute 30. So I practice every day, and if you put the effort in and you learn more algorithms, you can get really fast. I haven't learned that many algorithms yet, but when I do, hopefully I can get faster. Another good thing about Square-1 is the community. Square-1 has a bigger community than a lot of twisty puzzles, and if you look on YouTube for Square-1 tutorials, you're going to find a lot of people that want to help you get faster at Square-1. Alright, let's move on to the negatives. So the first bad thing about Square-1 is the algorithms. Lots of people find the algorithms really hard because of their numbers, and most people are used to R, U, and those moves. And on Square-1, you just don't get those moves, you just get numbers. Alright, another bad thing about Square-1 is the turning. Like I said before, I found the turning really hard when I was a beginner. I think a lot of other beginners would find turning really hard because it's just going to lock up a lot. But apart from that, I think Square-1's pretty good, and that's why it's one of my favourite events, and that's why I practice it a lot. That's the end of this video. If you did enjoy, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, because I'm trying to reach 250 subscribers before the end of this month. And tell me what you think about Square-1. Is it good or is it not? Anyway, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.